Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today we're gonna be doing a DIY eyebrows on the Giulietta headlights. And we're gonna go from this to this in only like 20 minutes of work. The first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a template. I'm gonna use this tape for it. And one thing that you should pay attention to is that you don't want to go down too deep. You won't get the desired effect. So the idea here is to make them a bit more aggressive, so the angle from this line to the headlight is going to be small, and the same case is going to be on this upper side. I'm gonna add another layer just so the tape is a bit thicker and easier to work with. Now first I'm just gonna mark this line right here using a regular pencil. I'm just gonna go over the edge of the headlight. Now I'm gonna put the hood down. And basically I'm just gonna freehand this curved line right here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna pull the tape off. I'm gonna make a template and I'm gonna use some wrap to create both pieces. First I'm gonna create this one, then I'm gonna make the mirror piece for the right side. Also I'll put some tape on the bottom side so the tape isn't sticky. Next I'm just gonna trace it onto this piece of wrap and I'm gonna cut out both pieces. Next I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna do the one for the right side. I'm gonna cut out both pieces and we're gonna put them on the headlights. I decided to go for the wrap because I was able to find the wrap which is really close to the original factory red on the car. We're gonna see how it's gonna match now. I'm gonna clean the headlight a little bit. Alright, so that's one side. Now I'm gonna do the other one and we're gonna check out how it came out. And here is the final result. I gotta admit, I'm more than happy with it. You can see that the wrap actually matches the original color pretty good, and it just makes the car a bit more aggressive. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.